Hello students, in our previous video we have discussed about the refraction, cause of refraction, laws of refraction, and today we will discuss refraction of light by a glass slab. Glass slab is a parallel faced glass slab, a rectangular piece of glass, and what will happen when a light passes through a glass slab. For example, we know that refraction is a bending of light. Bending of light is known as refraction. Bending means when light ray fall at an angle. It make an angle and fall on the surface. And speed of light is different in different medium. Medium, we know that medium is a material. Medium means material through which light passes, and material need to be transparent for refraction. Remember, for refraction material need to be transparent. Now what is the magic this glass block is doing? We will see here. For example, let's assume that it is a rectangular piece of glass A, B, C, D. When a ray of light falls obliquely, this is a ray of light. Here we are taking a single colored ray of light, that is monochromatic ray of light. When a ray of light falls on a glass slab obliquely means by making a certain angle with the normal at the point of incidence, and this is the point of incidence here. This is the point of incidence, and we are making a normal here. This is at the point of incidence. It emerges out of the glass slab parallel to its original direction of propagation. But here this is air, which is rarer medium. It is glass slab, that is denser. Again, air is moving from denser to rarer medium, and this is an incident ray. When it passes from, when it strike at this interface, the medium, the medium is a air, denser, and air. When incident ray passes from air to denser medium, then we will find out there is a bending of light. It bend in this way, and when again it passes from denser to rarer medium, we will find out that it bends in this way. There is a bending of light, means there is a refraction of light. What is the cause of refraction? We know that bending of light is known as refraction. Now what is the cause of refraction? The cause of refraction is change in speed of light or change in speed of velocity in different medium. In air, we know that speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. And for glass, denser medium, in which the speed slow down, it is 2 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. And at the point of incidence, we are making a normal here. This is a normal. Angle between the incident ray and normal is known as angle I, and it represented as this. Angle between this is the refracted ray when it passes from air to denser medium. It is a refracted ray and there is a bending of light. This angle is known as angle R, and this angle is also known as R when this refracted ray incident at the bottom of the glass slab. Again it make angle R with normal, and finally it comes out from the glass slab. The final ray that is coming out from the glass slab is known as emergent ray, and it makes an angle E with the normal. This is normal. We will see here that when a ray of light, firstly we draw the actual path of the light. This is the actual path of the incident ray, but due to change in medium, it changes its path. It emerges out of the glass slab. It emerges out of the glass slab parallel to the parallel to its original direction of propagation. This is its original direction of propagation, and it emerges out parallel to its it emerges out of the glass slab parallel to its original direction of propagation. And we will find out here that there is a shift in the path of the incident ray. This shift is there is a shift. This is a shift, and this shift, or there is a displacement in the path of incident ray. This shift is known as lateral shift. It is known as a lateral shift. And we can define the lateral shift, and it is also known as the displacement also. The perpendicular distance, both are perpendicular to each other. The perpendicular distance between the direction of original, this is the direction of original path of the incident ray, and the direction of the emergent ray coming out of a glass slab is called a lateral shift or lateral displacement of the emergent ray of light. And we will find out here that angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction here. This angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. But same time we will also observe one thing, that angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence. Angle I is equal to angle I is equal to angle E. Both are equal to each other. But angle I is greater than angle R. We know that there are different pair of media, and speed of light is different in different pair of medium. For example, when it passes from air to denser, air is a rarer medium in which its speed is faster. And when it passes from air to denser medium, what will be observed? We have learned in our previous video laws of refraction. When a light ray passes from air to denser medium, then it will bend towards the normal. We will observe a bending of light towards the normal, and when it moves from denser to rarer medium, then it will bend away from the normal. It will bend away from the normal. You can find it here that it will bend away from the normal, because it depends upon the optical density. Density, we know that density is different thing. In physics, we generally use the term density very commonly. Density means mass per volume. Density is equal to mass per volume. Actually, density find out heaviness or lightness of a material. But here we are using a special term, optical density. Optical density means how much a material is able to slow down the speed of light. Both are different, and speed of light increases or decreases depending upon the pair of medium. When there is a pair of medium, air and water, air is rarer medium for light and water is denser medium for light. For example, when a ray of light passes from air to water, then what will happen? We will find out that the light ray bend towards the normal. And when in second case, for example, this is glass and this is air. When a ray of glass is a denser medium for light, denser, and this is rarer medium. We discussed about in the previous video also. When a ray of light passes from denser to rarer medium, then it will bend away from the normal. This bending of light is known as the refraction of light. And you have to remember one important thing here, that the cause of refraction of light is change in speed of light. Change in speed of light, or you can also say that change in speed or velocity of light. It is different in different medium. And air, it is 3:10⁸ meter per second. Speed of light in air is 3:10⁸ meter second, and in glass, which is a denser medium, it is approximately 2:10⁸ meter per second. In our next video, we will discuss about what will happen. Light passes from a glass prism. We know that white light is a mixture of 7 colors, and when light passes from a glass prism, what will happen? This phenomena is generally known as dispersion, and we will discuss about in our next video. So stay with us. Thank you.